What is the family event you remember the most? When was it? Where was the party? What did you do? How did you feel that day? What is the second family event you remember the most? Where did you go? What did you do there? How was the weather? The event I remember the most was my cousin wedding. It was amazing and elegant. It was last year in December. I danced a lot, talked with my relatives, and enjoyed the music. How did you feel? I felt very happy and excited, and every man was very friendly. It was a birthday party for my little brother. It was special because we organized a surprise party. He was very surprised and happy. We ate cake, played games, and opened presents. He was very excited and cheerful.